In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Grammarly to your Opera browser using the Chrome extension version. This is a handy workaround since Grammarly doesn't officially support Opera, but with just a few steps, you'll be all set to enhance your writing on this browser. To start, we need to open your Opera browser. If you haven't done this already, just head to wherever you normally find your applications and click on Opera. With the browser open, our next step is to visit the Opera add-ons page. Here, we're going to install something called the Install Chrome Extensions add-on. This is an essential step because it enables Opera to integrate with extensions directly from the Chrome Web Store. Installing this extension will act as a bridge of sorts, allowing Opera to adopt Chrome's wide array of tools. Now that we've got that crucial extension in place, let's move on to the Chrome Web Store. Yes, still using Opera, type Chrome Web Store in the search bar, and once you're on the site, search for Grammarly, Grammar Checker, and Writing App. When you find it, you'll see an Add to Chrome button. Don't worry about the wording. When you're using Opera, clicking this acts as Add to Opera. After you click it, a confirmation prompt should appear. You'll want to make sure you confirm the installation in Opera's Extension Manager to finalize this process. Once the Grammarly extension is installed, it's time to get the account details sorted out. You'll see the Grammarly icon in Opera's toolbar. Click on it and log into your Grammarly account. If you don't have one yet, that's not a problem. Just follow the prompts to create one. It's usually a quick process, just requiring your basic details. Now, let's make sure Grammarly is ready to check your text on all the websites you visit. Go into the extension settings and ensure that Grammarly is enabled. Sometimes you might need to toggle it on for all websites to seamlessly integrate Grammarly's checking function. To ensure everything's working correctly, we're going to run a quick test. Go ahead and navigate to any site that has a text input field. Once there, start typing to see if the Grammarly icon pops up. If it does, Grammarly is doing its job by highlighting any suggestions it has in real time. With everything set up, you should now have Grammarly smoothly running on your Opera browser, catching those pesky typos and offering improvements just as it would on any other browser. And there you have it, a simple workaround to enhance your writing within the Opera browser using the power of Grammarly. This method aligns Opera's flexibility with Chrome's expansive extension capabilities, ensuring you never miss an opportunity to elevate your writing with Grammarly's expert feedback.